5-10 years ago, people say AI is going to do this, do that, but it's been a little slower, I think, to roll out.
Yeah.
And then maybe AI isn't there yet, but in a few years it's going to be there, right? Where it's going.
AI can father your children.
Yeah, I mean, eventually it's going to be there. I remember, as I'm sitting here today, I'm 49 years old. I'll be 50 in a month. When I was like 7 or 8 years old, because I grew up 15 minutes from Disneyland, right? So we used to go to Disneyland with my mom and dad in Anaheim, California. My mom would take me to Disneyland. We'd go to Tomorrowland, which was the future, always the future stuff. When I was 8 years old, we'd go to Tomorrowland and we would check out stuff, and they had this thing where, in the future, people are going to be able to make video phone calls. and I remember 8 years old, 9 years old, with my mom, sitting in like this booth in Tomorrowland where they had like a FaceTime thing.
Right.
Where my other brother could be in the other room next door and he'd be on the video. And me and my mom would be in the other room and we'd be talking to him.
That's awesome.
And like my brother and my dad would be in the other room. This is 40 years ago.
Yeah.
And my mom would be like, one day that's going to be, you're going to have a phone in your pocket and you're going to be able to talk to someone on the video. I was like, Mom, you're crazy. This is Disneyland. This is bullshit. Exactly what, it's weird because I'm old enough to remember that shit.
Right.
So that was a big deal.
I'm excited for Disney on X-Men 97 or 87 or 97. The new show they have, whatever.
Well, we didn't have this last one.
Yeah, that was the first one we had.
Oh, it is? We had 3 already?
Yeah.
I must be fucked up, man.
Yeah,
Are you sure
You
we
did
had
announce
3?
it like 5
You
minutes
actually,
in.
you announced it as you took that pour. You told.
Are you
everybody
sure we
took
had
it.
3 already?
I am 100% sure. In fact, we have video evidence that you took that pour.
Yeah. You went on a whole police rant too. It's all
You
in
did.
there.
You went into an NWA rant.
I need
Yeah.
to stop talking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
You now have a target on your back.
Yeah.
Mario's the only.
LA police is going to be looking for you.
Mitri,
Fuck the LAPD.
He's
I'll
the
tell
only.
you right now.
He's the only friend of mine that got raided by the cops and shot one of his friends in his house. He's the only one.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's a
true
long
story.
but I have had a shooting at my house in Hollywood. But, I mean, who hasn't had a shooting at their house in Hollywood?
I mean, a
Fair.
lot of people.
Fair.
A lot of
In
people.
Hollywood, I don't know.
Yeah.